I was later bird or night owl. I used to sleep late and awake late. When I awake late, defiantly, I took break fast in hurry or sometime I missed the breakfast. When I got bus in the morning, I reach office on time. But when I missed the bus, these 10 to 20 minutes difference made me late from office. When I reach office, most of the time, I felt tired and dull. Due to no exercise. I am getting bulky and fat. I reach office late. When most of employees started to coming late. The company where I am working decided to deduct salaries for latecomers. They made the rule after 3 late, deduction of 1 day will come. To avoid, I have to make changes in my life. For awake early is complete lifestyle change. You have to sleep early. Either cut down company of friends or favorite movie or TV series. If you did not sleep early, you will unable to awake on time. Mr. Robin Sharma said. Change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Robin Sharma said in his book 5 AM Club. Change happen in 66 days. First 22 days destruction. Here you have struggled to destroy your old habit to sleep early and awake on time. Next 22-day installation. Here your new habits start to build but same time you did not see any benefit of these changes. It's very difficult to stay motivated. Last 22 days called integration period. Here you start to find result of changes. After 66 days, it become automatic. When I start to awake at 5 AM, I got a lot of time. I divided it into 2 parts. 30 minutes. I started to 30-minute extensive exercise. Then next 30-minute for reflection. What possible task I have to complete today? What are the status of task? I start to read, write, or plan the whole day. You can do meditate. It help you to increase focus. You can work on your spiritually. After 6 o'clock you can start your breakfast and normal day-to-day job. Let me share what advantage I found when I become early bird. Sleep early and awake early, my second nature. What advantage I found? My health is getting better. I start exercise. 30 minutes are enough for me. It gives me active. And now my journey for lean body is progress. My blood circulation is good. I start mediation of doing morning prayer. By this way my spiritual life is also getting improved. My trust on some higher power increase. Things will be better. I already plan my day. I used to start journals. I follow the Getting Thing Done by David Allen. It helps me to identify what need to complete today, what things are still impending. I have to follow up. What next step I need to do for each task. This result me more productive in my professional life. I reach office on time. After 6 I have enough time for taking proper breakfast and doing proper bath. This will also help me to improve my hygiene. I reach office at least 30 minutes early. I become more punctual. It helps me I never be late and there will no late and no deduction. I feel more productive. Because, first thing I do after awake to make my bed. This help feel I accomplished something. At closing notes, I recommend you for my own life. That you should be early bird. You have to sleep early and awake early. This helped me to become more productive. Improve your health. Your planning of office work will be better. Your spiritual life is also improved. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in another video.